Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a little haul for you guys, and to be honest with you, I was not gonna do this haul because I feel like, well, it's not like a huge haul. And the store that I'm gonna show you, I don't know if you guys have it in your area, but I wanted to show you guys just in case that you guys do have it in your area, or maybe you pass by it and you never went inside of it. I wanted to show you guys what I got and if it's worth it, because it is a rather cheap store. But before we begin, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. And if you guys like videos like this, I love to do hauls, make sure you click that like button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I only got one thing from Five Below, and this is actually my first time going to Five Below. I have seen a lot of Five Below in my area, but I've never went. I don't know why. I just don't know why. It never appealed to me. I think maybe because I'm so used to going to Dollar Tree that I'm just like, why would I get anything from there when I can get everything for $1 at the Dollar Tree? But one of my best friends went there, so I decided to come with her and check it out and see if it's worth it. Guys, they have a lot of cute things. I do wish I did a come along with me video, but for the sake of time, I was not able to do it that time. But guys, okay, so I did get one thing and I absolutely love it. I'm so impressed. Like, I can't believe it. I got this top. And if you guys don't know, the palm leaves is in trend right now. It is really, really in trend, and I'm actually really feeling it. I love this trend so much. So let me show you guys how it looks. So it looks like this. It's kind of like a peplum style. It's more cinched in right here, which is very flattering. And I absolutely love these little details, these little buttons right here. I love the fact that these are more like poofed out. I don't know if I'm using that word correctly, but guys, everything at Five Below is $5 or less. This was a size large. Now, the one thing I must say about Five Below is most of their clothing pieces run very small. I'm typically a size medium, but I had to size up in this. But then again, I'm very heavy chested. I'm a 34 triple D. So I knew that I had to get a size large because it would not fit me up here. It would be way too tight, and I don't like tops where I'm like going back like this and I can feel it where it's so tight. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, it looks like this. I absolutely love it. It is so flowy and breathable. It is so flattering. Guys, if you see this, pick it up. They have some really cute tops, but again, I only got this one and I'm really excited. Maybe next time, let me know if you guys want to. I'll probably do a come along with me video to Five Below. Let me know. I don't know. So moving on to the next store. Now this is a store that I've seen a lot in Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County. I go to different places, yes, and I have seen this a lot. So the store is called Waikiki, and then there's another one that's called Austin 5. The thing is, it's the same owner. They just have two different stores, but it's the same thing. It's the same type of store. Everything in the store is $5.99 or less. They also have a lot of clearance items that are $3.99. So I have bought things from them before, but it was just like one or two things, and I would kind of just go in there and get out real quick, because a lot of the things, guys, I'm not gonna lie, their clothing pieces are not the greatest quality and they're not cute. I wish they would kind of update it. Their pieces are kind of like, you know, like it does not make me excited to go in there like, oh my gosh, I want that and I want that, I want that. It's $5.99. What the heck? Are you serious? So it just doesn't make me excited. This actually did. I was surprised. I was going shopping with my sisters and my family that came over from out of state, and what I found, I was actually really surprised. So I wanted to show you guys. So the first being is this beautiful hat. I've been wanting a hat like this for the longest time, guys. It is so freaking pretty. So it's a pink hat, and if you guys don't know, like, I love baby pink. That's like probably one of my favorite colors. No, that is my favorite colors. but I really love it. And yeah, $5.99, guys. This is really great quality. If you guys don't know, Walmart has upped their prices on their hats. Right now, most of them are $7.99. They used to be $3. So I really don't know what happened to that when it comes to hats. But this one was $5.99. I really thought it was a great deal, so I had to get this one. And then I got it in a different color. I got this one. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so freaking beautiful. Like, I absolutely love it. I feel like this is perfect for a casual day out where you just want to put a hat on. Maybe you just didn't really do your makeup. You don't really feel like doing it. You just want to run out. I just think this is perfect. I love it. It's $5.99. Are you freaking kidding me? And they are really great quality, guys. I don't have much cap hats. Oh my gosh, my hair is driving me crazy now. I don't have much of these type of hats, but I wanted to kind of grow my collection somewhat. And I really love these styles of hats whenever I don't really want to dress up. I just put a cap and I still look put together and somewhat decent. So you guys know what I mean. If you guys wear these types of hat, you know what I mean. It kind of gives you like, I still look good. So anyways, moving on to the clothing pieces. I bought 3 shorts from them, and the first one is this, again with the palm tree, palm leaves, tropical print. I got these. This is in a extra, it's a large / extra large. And I got them in this size on purpose because I like them to be flowing off my body. If you guys don't know, I'm very curvy. So if I get a small or medium, they're very tight and it's just like too much for me. It's not my style, you know what I mean? But I really love these guys. They are so pretty. It does have this drawstring. It's not a real drawstrings, it's just for looks, but honestly I don't care. It does fit me really well. And it looks like this, guys. I think this is so cute, guys. $5.99. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these. I absolutely love them. And then I got these pairs of shorts. These are also really pretty. I feel like these are perfect for the summertime again, of course. And they look like this. Now this is a drawstring and you're supposed to tie it around these loops. The loops go all around and you're supposed to tie it and kind of have like a little knot right here. But I didn't do that yet. I didn't even notice. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't even do that. But yeah, it looks like this and I absolutely love them. They are so nice and comfy. This is a, what size are you? This is a size large. And another thing too, guys, is I like my shorts to be a little bit more longer. I don't like them when they're so short where they're close to my booty cheeks. And I know that if I bend over, if I walk the wrong way, you know, if I stretch, my booty cheeks will be hanging out. That's just not me. So I really like these because it really keeps everything in. It really keeps everything in. And yeah, like I said, I love them. I'm really excited to wear these. And I love the fact that it has this where it's kind of like all scrunched together. I just feel like this is very flattering on the waist. I love that one so much that I got it in this one. So this one is exactly the same, only instead of mostly white with black lines, this is mostly black with thin white lines. I absolutely love it. I just had to have this. This was in a size large as well. And yeah, like I said, guys, cannot wait to wear them. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. I'm really happy with everything I got. I really wish that I did like a little come with me at the end of the video. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't even think of that until now. I was like, man, I should have. But it's okay, maybe next time. But yeah, if you guys have that, if you're like in the Orange County, Riverside County, maybe even San Bernardino County, they have these stores on most of the malls, if not all of them. So yeah, check them out, see what you think. They do have a lot of workout gear. So most of their workout gear, I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of cheapy, ugly, and not my type. You know, they're just not cute. But there are some occasionally where they have them and they look so freaking cute. Like they had this baby pink workout pants and this red one. I thought that was really cute. So yeah, like I said, it's a hit and miss. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this video, guys, again, because I don't know if you guys are familiar with these stores. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Five Below, but I don't know if you're familiar with this store right here. But if you see it in your area, what I recommend is, like I said, check it out. You'd be surprised. You might find a thing or two that you really like. It might be your new favorite. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.